Congratulations if you got this offer mastery pack with the training on offer creation you are watching. Exclusive training or offer creation. This is your special pass to crafting offers so irresistible people will practically be begging to buy them. Think of this as your personal guide to offer mastery, inspired by the one and only Alex Hermosi. We are going to keep it fun, friendly, and super direct. Let's dive in. Here are the topics we are going to cover in this training. What's an offer anyway? The Alex Hermosi's value equation, 5 elements of an irresistible offer, your step-by-step offer creation blueprint, real-world offer examples, AI for offer creation, from learning to earning. But before we dive into these chapters, let me give you a quick tour of your offer mastery pack. So this is our offer mastery pack. Here is the training you are watching. After this, 100 plus offer examples, guides and ChatGPT prompts I have promised you are there. These guides are so much valuable because these are to the points. If you read them, you will directly create the bonus. You will directly know how to make scarcity, urgency, guarantees, naming, pricing, and here are the ChatGPT prompts I have promised you. Here are 30 plus, and for the offer examples, here you have to click. Here are the offer examples in different niches, but I will tell you honestly, these are the offers I have created with the help of my knowledge and ChatGPT. So it will be more helpful for you if you see them as an example and be creative with your offers. Like we are going in the training after this on how to create your offer. So see them as examples and create your own. You can use them directly if you want. So after this, here is a surprise for you. It's so cool surprise. A free one-on-one client magnet session with me. Only 10 spots available. This is a personalized 1-hour session designed to help you fix your offer and go deeper into your funnel and content strategy, so you can finally start getting the results you have been chasing. Before you apply, here are few important things to know. This session isn't for everyone. You will first answer a few quick questions about your business. The reason is simple. I want to understand your situation properly and see if I can genuinely help you on the call. Within 6 hours, I will personally review your answers and let you know if you qualify. If yes, your free one-on-one session will be unlocked. No one leaves empty-handed. Even if you don't qualify, you will still get free access to my private community, where I go live weekly with practical lessons on offer, funnels, and content, plus exclusive guides and resources to support your growth. Spots are limited. I am only opening 10 free sessions in total to make sure each call is high value. Once they are gone, they are gone. And yes, there's a little surprise waiting inside the call. I can't reveal it here, but you will discover it once we connect. This application form is right below. Fill it out now to see if you qualify. So this is a form with quick questions. You have to just answer them and submit it, and I will review your submission. So let's move to our offer creation training. So chapter 1, what exactly is an offer? It's a way more than your product. Forget just selling a thing or a service. Your offer is the complete package that screams, I solve your problem perfectly. It's the amazing transformation you promised, bundled up so nicely that saying yes is a no-brainer. Think about Apple. They don't just sell phones, they sell connection and a cool lifestyle. Netflix sells effortless entertainments, not just shows. Get the difference? Product versus offer. Quick look. Product, guitar course, 20 videos on how to play guitar. Offer, master your first song in 30 days. Guaranteed. Plus personalized feedback and supportive community. Big difference, right? It's about the result. Offers are your superpower. Your unique offer helps you shine even if competitors sell similar things. It makes you memorable. Promise the transformation. Talk about the exciting results customers want, not just your product features. People choose things that match who they want to be. Make it safe to say yes. A great offer reduces customers' risk. It builds trust and clearly show them all the amazing wins they will get. Chapter 2, Alex Hermosi's value equation, the game changer. Alex Hermosi shares a super simple yet powerful formula that makes offers practically sell themselves. Let's break it down. Dream outcome. What's the big emotional result your customers truly desire? Their ultimate wish. Perceived likelihood of achievement. How confident are they that your solution will actually deliver? Testimonials, social proofs, and guarantees poses. For example, if I will say I will give you six packs next day, it's purely impossible to believe. So that's why no one will buy it. But if I say I will make your abs in 3 months, then it will be believable. Okay. Time delay to outcome. How quickly will the see results? Faster but realistic. Like I said, you can get abs in 3 months, but not in next day directly. So it's realistical in 3 months. Results make your offer way more attractive. Effort and sacrifice. How much work do they need to put in? Make it as easy as possible for them to get those amazing results. Now, if I say you only need to work out 30 minutes for 3 months and you will get abs, so it's super less sacrifices. It means they just have to work out 30 minutes, but it's not possible. And I don't know, I'm not a fitness coach. Okay, quick example, personal trainer offer before versus after. Before, personal training sessions, $50 hour. After, lose 2 stones and fit into your favorite clothes in just 90 days. Our proven system requires only 3 workouts a week plus a meal plan, money back guarantee if it doesn't work. Now, see how impressive is this. Dream outcome, fit those favorite clothes. Likelihood, proven system, money back guarantee. Time, exactly 90 days. Effort, only 3 workouts a week. Super doable. Chapter 3, the 5 secret elements for offers nobody can resist. These 5 components are what turn an average forgettable offer into an absolute must have. Master them and your customers won't just consider buying, they will get eager to say yes. First, strategic bonuses, value added, extras that make achieving the main goal faster, easier, or more enjoyable. They tackle concerns and enhance the experience. Example templates, checklists, private community access, bonus mini courses. But I will tell you all these are just I am giving you a quick intro, but I have given you the guides. You can use them to go in deep in these elements. Second, powerful guarantees removes customers' risk by making a bold promise about results or satisfaction. Shows your confidence. Example, money back guarantee, results guarantee, work with us until you succeed. Genuine urgency, a real, honest reason for people to act now. It's about a limited window for actions. Example, enrollment closes soon. Special price ended this week. Limited time bonus. Authentic scarcity, limited availability of the offer itself, making it more exclusive and valuable. Must be true. See, these two things need to be true. You can't play in this. If you next day, if you say again urgency, then it will make people trust you less. Only X spots available, limited coaching slots, small group course. Like if you say today that limited coaching slots today, it will end it, and next day you again say ended now, then it will make you less trustable person. Compelling naming. Give your offer a memorable and exciting name that clearly communicates the transformation or benefit. Example, the 90 days wealth accelerator, the client magnet system. How to value stack your bonuses. Think of bonuses as stepping stones that help your customer reach their main goal faster and easier. They can also tackle any small worries a customer might have. For a business course, bonuses could be ready-made templates, easy effort, personal feedback boost likelihood, or a quick start guide reduces template. See how they stack up the value. Chapter 4, your step-by-step offer creation blueprint. Step 1, know your ideal customer. Deeply understand their problem, pains, and the biggest dreams. The more you know, the better you can solve them. Step 2, define the big transformation. What's the single amazing results your offer will deliver? What's the ultimate after state? Step 3, make their success journey. Outline the clear step they will take to achieve their transformation and identify any hurdles you can remove. Step 4, build massive value, bonuses and guarantees. Stack on irresistible extras and back them with rock solid promises. That's how you turn your offer into a total no-brainer. Step 5. Create urgency and scarcity. Give honest reasons why they should act now. Limited time, limited spots. Like you can only guide 5 people in a month. This is your limit. You can only guide 5 people in a month. This is a honest scarcity. Step 6. Test and iterate. Launch a minimum viable offer, gather feedbacks and continuously improve it. Don't wait for the perfect. Crafting your core offer statement, the powerful formula. Once you have defined your ideal customer and the big transformation step 1 and 2 of the blueprint, you need a concise way to articulate your offer. The simple formula help you clearly communicate immense value and attract the right people. I help ICP achieve desired result without pain point in timeline. Let's break down each component and see how to use it. Ideal customer profile. Who is this offer especially for? Be as narrow and descriptive as possible. The more specific, the more they will feel you are speaking directly to them. Example: busy moms aged 30 to 45, aspiring home bakers, struggling small business owners. These are three different. Desired result. What is the ultimate measurable outcome your customers want? This should be the dream outcome from Hermosis value equation. Example: lose 15 lbs, turn passion into profitable business, consistently achieve 10k month. Pain point. What major obstacle, frustration, or fear do they want to avoid or overcome to get the result? Addressing this builds massive trust. Lack of time for workouts, fear of legal complexities, overwhelmed with marketing strategies. Timeline. How quickly can they expect to achieve the results? A clear, realistic timeline boosts perceived likelihood of achievement and creates urgency. Example: in 60 days, within 6 weeks, in just 3 months. Examples of offer using this formula. Home Bakers Business Blueprint. I help aspiring home bakers achieve their first $500 in sales without the stress of legal setup and pricing mistakes in 6 weeks. Fitness Coach. I help busy professionals achieve their dream physique and boost energy without spending hours in the gym or restrictive diets in 90 days. Marketing Consultant. I help coaches and consultants achieve a consistent flow of high ticket clients without endless social media posting or complex funnels in 4 months. Practice crafting your offer. Practice crafting your own core offer statement using this formula. It will serve as the foundation for your entire irresistible offer. Let's see a full examples. The Home Baker's Business Blueprint. For who? Sarah, a home baker wanting to turn her passion into a profitable business. The offer breakdown. Core program. The Home Baker's Business Blueprint, a 6-week intense. Big promise: go from hobby baker to making your first $500 in 6 weeks guaranteed. If not, we coach you free until you do. Value stack highlights. 6 weekly actionable lessons, plug and play legal checklist, pricing calculator, social media templates, weekly group coaching calls, and a private community. See, here are 2 bonuses also. First, customers fast track plan. Bonus 2, pro kick photography mini course. Total value. Oh, I want to tell you one thing. When you list out all these things to your client or anyone, always price them like this is $100, this is $500, this is for this much, this for this much, and total value over is $1,900. Then when you go for the real price, your investment only $297. Then people will see the value they are getting is much higher than the price they are paying. Then it's more likely them to buy. Our guarantee: make $500 in 90 days or we work for free. That guarantee make them like we are making $500 in 90 days and we are paying $297, and if we don't get the results, we will get our money back. So this is the brain thing we do to make them buy. Act fast. Enrollment closes Friday. Okay, this needs to be real. limited spots, only 7 left for the March group out of 20 totally. So this makes sense that you can only guide 20 people in March session and 7 left. Okay. Chapter 5, awesome real world offers from different businesses. Let's dive into some real world examples and dissect them using the powerful formula. Fitness coach, 90-day body transformation challenge. I help busy individuals achieve a complete body transformation and boost energy without spending hours guessing at workouts or restrictive diets in 90 days. Here are the key elements you can read. Video editors, fast track video content package for entrepreneurs. I help entrepreneurs who need compelling video content for social media achieve a consistent flow of high quality, engaging videos without spending hours editing or struggling to create professional content, with their first video delivered in just 72 hours. Business coach, scale your business to 6 figures in 6 months program. I help small business owners and coaches achieve a consistent 10k plus month and a highly profitable venture without complex marketing funnels or endless social media posting in 6 months. Life coach, unlock your purpose, 6 weeks clarity and action blueprint. I help individuals feeling lost or stuck in their career achieve clarity on their true calling and an actionable plan for their life goals without years of self doubt or trial and error in 6 weeks. They are just examples. Key takeaways. Why these offers are irresistible: clear transformation, trust in rapid results, risk free guarantees, enhanced value, minimum efforts, motivate immediate action. You can read them if you want. Okay, now the most exciting part. Chapter 6, using AI like ChatGPT for turbocharged offer creations. Tools like ChatGPT can dramatically speed up your offer creation process. The key is knowing how to prompt them with enough detail. Here's your magic trick. The magic prompt for irresistible offer. Copy and paste this into ChatGPT, then swap the brackets parts and with your own information. So this is the prompt you will get in our guide of offer engine 30 plus prompts. You will get it there. Okay, so let's do this. Let me copy this prompt. Okay, so we are here on ChatGPT. Let's put our prompt here and change the things. I need help creating an irresistible offer for my business using Alex Hormozi's. Here's my situation. Let's go with the examples already there. Okay, online fitness coach. We are not going so much on that. Target customers, specific description. So we will go like that, which is already there.
2,000 years later.
Please help me craft a compelling offer that includes a catchy offer name, a clear, powerful value propositions, strategic bonus suggestions, strong guarantee options, genuine urgency scarcity elements, pricing recommendation, consider anchoring, make it super specific and appealing to my target customer and industry. Let's see what will ChatGPT do. Perfect. Let's build with the Alex Hormozi's value equation. Since you are serving busy moms, the biggest levers are, you can read them. Here your crafted irresistible offer. Catchy offer name. The 60 days fit mom reset. Okay. Tagline. Lose 15 lbs, slip back into your favorite jeans and feel energized without spending hours at the gym or in the kitchen. Clear, powerful value propositions. I help busy mom lose up to 15 lbs in 60 days with 20 minutes home workout and 10 minutes meal prep systems. No gym required, no starving diets. This shows who it's for. Okay, what they get, timeline, how. Strategic bonus suggestions. Bonuses should either reduce effort, reduce time, or increase certainty. Bonus 1, 10 minutes family friendly meal prep guide so they don't cook separate meals for kids' husband. Bonus 2, energy reset, morning routine, 5-minute ritual to beat fatigue and mom burnout. Bonus 3, accountability, WhatsApp, Telegram group with you, other moms. Peer support, easy access. Bonus 4, progress tracking dashboard, Google Sheet, weekly check-in to visualize results. 4, strong guarantee options, double your jeans back guarantee, if she doesn't fit into one size smaller jeans in 60 days, she gets double her money back. Or safer, stick to it guarantee. If she completes all check-ins and follow the plan but doesn't lose weight, she will get 100% refund. Guaranteed increase perceived likelihood of success. The first one is when you are so much confident for your service, and the second one is safe play. If you don't give them result, you have to give them money back. Okay. Genuine urgency and scarcity elements. Capped spots. I only work with 10 moms at a time to give personalized attention. Rolling start dates. Next group start specific date. Doors closes in 5 days. Fast action bonus. First 3 signups get a one-on-one private coaching calls worth $200. Pricing recommendation with anchoring. Your current model 100-hour Zoom call limits you, instead package into a 60 days transformation program. Anchor. If you hired me one-on-one, it will cost 4,800, 12 weeks into 2 sessions week. This is the math. Actual price for the full 60 days Fit Mom reset is just $997. Payment plan or $297 month for 4 months. This shift your hourly coaching to a high value transformation program. Final offer example. So this is the thing. You can read. Okay. You see how cool it is. You get everything with ChatGPT. Now you can do some things in this. You can put some things, remove some things, and make a perfect offer for yourself. Okay. So let's move on to our last thing. More smart questions for AI. Make this offer even more irresistible. Give me 3 bonus. These are all the prompts you will get there. Okay. AI best practices. Be crystal clear with your prompts. Ask for multiple options. Give me 3 variations. Use AI to brainstorm. Then add your own genius. Perfect it. Okay. Your next step from learning to earning your money. You are now equipped to create offers that people can't resist. But knowing isn't enough. You have to act on it. Successful people take actions. So let's get moving. First, pick your first offer to launch. Choose one specific customer group and one incredible result you will help them achieve. Focus all your energy on delivering an amazing outcome for them. And if you're not creating your first offer, you can fix your offer with all these things. Create your good enough to start offer. Don't chase perfection. Craft a solid version 1.0 that delivers your core promise. Done it better than perfect when it comes to launching. Test it with real people. Present your offer to 5 to 10 ideal customers. Listen intentionally to their feedback, questions, and excitements. Then use it to make your offer even better. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. Your first offer won't be flawless, but by following these steps, it will be impactful and lead to revenue. This is the start of something amazing. Remember, every super successful business owner began right where you are, with an idea and the courage to take action. Your customers are waiting for the incredible solution only you can provide. They need a guide they can trust to show them the way, and that someone is you. So stop reading and start creating. Your first irresistible offer is just one action step away from changing everything for you. You have crushed the exclusive offer creation training. Now go make some magic and money. Now, and also don't forget to apply for one-on-one client magnet session with me.